Hello friends, welcome to our channel Factful Origin. In this video, we can learn some questions on awards and honors. Let's start our first question. Who was the first Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna Award? Options A. S. Radhakrishnan, B. C. Raja Gopalachari, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The correct answer. Option B. C. Raja Gopalachari. The second question. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Options A. Bharat Ratna, B. Padma Vibhushan, C. Padma Bhushan, D. Padma Shri. The correct answer. Bharat Ratna. The third question. In which year were the Padma Awards first instituted? Options A. 1952, B. 1954, C. 1960, D. 1972. The correct answer, option B, 1954. The fourth question. Which of the following sports personalities has received the Bharat Ratna? Options A. Sachin Tendulkar, B. PV Sindhu, C. Saina Nehwal, D. Vishwanathan Anand. The correct answer, option A. Sachin Tendulkar. The fifth question. Who was the first Indian to receive a Nobel Prize? Options A. C.V. Raman, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Mother Teresa, D. Amartya Sen. The correct answer, option B. Rabindranath Tagore. The sixth question. Which Indian author won the Booker Prize for the novel The God of Small Things? Options A. Salman Rushdie, B. Jhampa Lahiri, C. Arundhati Roy, D. Vikram Seth. The correct answer, option C. Arundhati Roy. The seventh question. The Booker Prize is awarded in which category? Options A. Drama, B. Fiction writing, C. Poetry, D. Non-fiction writing. The correct answer, option B. Fiction writing. The eighth question. In which year was the Arjuna Award instituted? Options A. 1951, B. 1961, C. 1971, D. 1981. The correct answer, option B. 1961. The ninth question. How many categories are there in the Padma Awards? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The correct answer, option B, 3 categories. They are Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. The last question in this video. Who was the first Bollywood actor to receive the Padma Shri? Options A. Raj Kapoor, B. Dev Anand, C. Dilip Kumar, D. Balraj Shanhi. The correct answer, option C. Dilip Kumar. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos.